Okay. Now, I had already set the camera down. Now I'm going to show you guys how to compress this brake caliper right here without any special tool on a 2019 Hyundai Accent SE. All right, here we go. Okay, the first one that I did on the other side, I use this right here, all right, this clamp, and I put it like this in order to squeeze the brake caliper in. Then I use the channel lock, this right here, in order to turn the caliper. But I found out I don't really need the clamp. All I need is this, okay? And this is how we do it. Okay, good. Make sure you get an adequate size so that when time you open it, you have a nice little space depending on the size of the caliper in there, okay? Of the piston, not the caliper, the size of the piston in there, okay? So I judge like more or less like around like this, so I could, yeah, so I could get a good grip about this size. Go up a little more, yes. Okay, so I could get a good grip, and once I get that good grip, I can turn like this. Okay, good. Here's the piston. All right, I have it on the bungee cord. Now I'm going to turn. Make sure I get a good grip. Both hands, and there we go, turn. Couple of turn and it will go all the way in. It's going nice and smooth. Okay, bear in mind also there's a rubber boot here that you got to try to be careful. Okay, try to not clamp on this rubber boot, just clamp on the metal part, this part here, this metal part, and you turn and it will go right in. Okay, we'll come back when it's already compressed in, but as you could see, it's already going in. See, so I'll continue, and when it's all the way in, then I'll come back. Okay, as you can see, big difference. Already all the way in. Now it's ready to be installed back on these brakes. So I'm just going to remove my bungee cord and take my piston my caliper, and I'm going to install it.